Okay, this is question number 1 of part B 2023 O levels maths paper 1. Okay, this is from fractions. Let's look at the question. 2/5 of a container is filled with fruit juice. After 700 milliliters of water is also added to this, the container was 3/4 filled. So there was 2/5 of a container filled and they added some water and that became 3/4. So we know the capacity, but they're asking us the fraction of the capacity. So let's label it as x and let's find x. So what do? We subtract 2/5 from 3/4. So x is equal to 3/4 minus 2/5. We'll have to simplify this. We can cross multiply and make the denominator common. So that is 15 minus 8 over 20. That will give you 7 over 20. 7 out of 20 was the capacity. So we'll have to remember 7 out of 20 is equal to 700 milliliters. Right? 7 out of 20 of the container is equal to 700 milliliters. This will be needed in the future. Okay, let's see. Now 4/5 of the fruit drink in the container was separated out to serve. They're asking the fraction of the capacity which was separated out to serve. Now remember, the container is not full, which means it's not 1 now. The container is just 3/4 filled. So out of this 3/4, 4/5 is taken out to serve. So let's see how much was taken out to serve. 3 out of 5. So this was the fraction that was taken out to serve, right? And we'll have to know what is remaining now, right? Because 3 out of 5 is taken out to serve. So there was already 3 out of 4. Out of the 3 out of 5 was taken out to serve. Now let's see how much is remaining. This is the remaining value after taking out the drinks to serve. That is 15 minus 12 over 20. That is 3 out of 20. Only 3 out of 20 is remaining, right? Yeah. Let's see. The separated amount of drink is poured equally into 6 glasses. Okay, this drink, this is the separated amount, right? This is poured equally into 6 glasses, which means this is divided by 6. What is another way to write this? This is multiplied by 1/6. Now, you can cancel out these. So that is 1 over 10. So 1 out of 10 is served to 1 glass. So 1 glass contains 1 out of 10 of the juice, right? They're asking the amount of drink in the glass in milliliters. Now we'll have to use this. We'll have to find the total capacity of the container first. How do you find? We have to multiply this value by 20 and divide it by 7. 700 multiplied by 20 divided by 7. That will give you 2000, right? 2000 milliliters is the total capacity. Out of the total capacity, only 1/10 is contained in a glass. So 2000 milliliters into 1/10, which means 200 milliliters is there in the glass. So in one glass there's 200 milliliters. Now find the amount of the fruit drink remaining in milliliters. Okay, the remaining amount, we already found the fraction for the remaining amount. That was not needed for this question, but it's needed to this, right? So 3 out of 20 is remaining. So if 7 out of 20 is 700, it's clearly evident that 3 out of 20 is 300. So you can put the answer as 300. How to do that? How to show that mathematically? 2000 is the total amount and 3 out of 20 is remaining. Just cancel these. 100 times 3, 300 milliliters is remaining in the container after serving. So this is the end of question 1.